Hello, I'm Kelvin Ross, editor of Power Engineering International, and I'm here at day 2 of the OSIsoft Users Conference here in London. And I'm joined by Molen of Stedin. Welcome.
Thank you, good morning.
First of all, tell us something about Stedin.
Stedin is a distribution system operator, a DSO. We're based in the Netherlands, where we serve the western part of the country, and we have around a little over 2 million customers doing electricity, a little over 2 million doing gas, so we do both electricity and gas.
And now you're utilising some OSIsoft technology. What was it what made you do that in the first place? What were the challenges you were having?
Yeah, we started using them a few years ago, and as part of our digital transformation program. And that has 2 challenges we have. And in order to run our business better and engage in new business models, we need more information and base decisions on information. So in order to do that, we feel we know we need to get more sensors into our grids, but also need to make more efficient use of the data sources we have already today. And that's where OSIsoft came into the picture, to make those 2 things possible.
You talked about your digital transformation. Tell us a bit more about that and in a broader sense of across the whole company, how that's working out, what your plans and ambitions are.
It is quite a big challenge, of course, to do the digital transformation. So one of the first things you ask yourself is, why do we do this? So we defined a couple of value areas which we need to and want to improve on. One being utilization of our grids. That's around flexibility services, active network management, for instance. One is around the utilization of our assets, so we can increase uptime. Condition-based maintenance is one of those areas. Efficiency of grid operations. If we want to manage the DERs and get a lot of dynamic behavior in our low voltage grids, we need to operate those and do that more effectively and efficiently than we do today. And there's a few more. Starting from those business initiatives and business drivers, we defined some programs around organizational culture, about learning, but also about infrastructure and about business optimization, basically.
And the potential of digitalization and how it's affecting your company and the wider European energy transition. Is it moving at such a pace that you think you can see the benefits in a year or 2, but maybe 5 years from now things are developing so quickly it's hard to know where the potential and where you can be?
Overall, what we see is really 2 paces. One is the standardization and regulation pace, which is drastically, but looking 10 years ahead. And one is the customer circle, where we see PV and electrical vehicles coming into the grids, leading already to immediate issues that we can solve and tackle better using data. So in the end, most people, or a lot of people in our company, are screaming for data to get better insights. But also structurally, people are looking into and analyzing ways to improve the ecosystem that we are working in.
Ali, thank you very much. That's all for now from day 2 here at the OSIsoft conference in London.